Hello, my name is Eric from North Networking, and in this video we are going to take a look at how we can upload NavMesh and a custom AGIS files to the server. So in order to have a custom NavMesh on our server so the mobs don't walk through objects like trees, we need to bake it in Unity first. And the first thing we need to do is open up the Atavism wiki. It's been a while since I've done this, so we'll be going through this together today. So we go to the wiki.atavism.com, external packages, NavMesh pathfinding. So we need to download the A pathfinding for Atavism. So we go into A panel, My Downloads, scroll down to find asset packages, and this is the one we want. So let's grab that. And let's open this and import it. Once it's done importing, we need to open the scene we want to build NavMesh for. I will be using the demo scene, so it's the main world. If we go to project, double click, I can open the main world. And we need to create a new object. We'll just call this pathfinding. And we need to add the pathfinder script. And let's consult the manual. So we need to add a new graph. So recast graph. And we need to make sure that it fits our world. .512 by 512 seems to fit very good. And we can increase this a little bit and put it a little bit up. Now you can see the terrain is inside the box. That's important because the Pathfinder will only calculate paths within the box. Then we're going to use tiles, that's correct. Max slope, set this to 45. That's okay. And if you have buildings, you need to save colliders in the editor. Now we can do. I think there's some here we need to do first. It used to be at least. Let's just do a scan. And as you can see, we have built NavMesh. You can, of course, fine-tune the area around objects by changing settings. But for this purpose, for showing how to upload a NavMesh, I guess it's okay. So we go to save and load. We need to save the file. I will just save it. And you also need to save it exactly as the scene name. So in this case, it's main world. And I think we need node data. Yes, node don't scan. Okay. So now we have a NavMesh file. Then we connect it to our server. And this is the window that will open when you first connect. We go to the Atavism server folder. We go to NavMesh and the main world. It already has 2 files, but if you have a custom world, you need to create a new folder and name it exactly as the scene name. And then you go into the folder and you drag in the NavMesh file. And then you just restart the server and the server will start using the NavMesh. To upload a new AGIS file to the server, it is almost the same procedure. After you have compiled a new custom AGIS, it's very important that you stop the Atavism server before uploading it. So go into the editor, stop the Atavism server. Let's just wait until these turns red, that means the server is offline. And now they're red, that means the server is not running anymore. So now we can safely upload the AGIS file. So we go into admin server, we go into the dist folder, lib, and here you have the AGIS. So we take our custom AGIS, drag it in. Yes, we want to overwrite. And now the AGIS file has been uploaded. We can safely start the Atavism server again. And there you have it, how to upload NavMesh and AGIS.